So what makes us different as a company is the fact that there's big data companies and there's ISR companies. And in one organization, we're working very intently to solve big data challenges, and we're also working in the sensors and comms realm to address ISR challenges. What we're seeking to do is take the lessons that we're learning on the big data side, where we're helping humans interact with data, and how can we leverage our ISR constellation to help the sensors better interact with the big data environment. And so it's about pushing advanced processing capability out as far to the edge of the sensor constellation that we can. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance is the global network of sensors and other advanced capabilities that allows the intel community to have situational awareness globally. So let's use an example. Let's take a look at the ISR system of the human body, where we have the sense of sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste, and how that serves us and how that helps our brain, or you can look at that as our big data environment that we can think of as the human eye and what that does for us. So in today's ISR environment, what the human eye would do to our brain is it would take everything that it sees, send it back to our brain, and then mandate that our brain process that information and make decisions in real time. If that were to be the case, we would cease to function as humans, because the amount of information that our eyeball takes in would overwhelm the processing capacity of the brain very, very rapidly. So now let's take a look at a big data aware ISR environment and apply that to the eyeball and what the eyeball is really doing for us today. And so what that eyeball is doing is there is a tremendous amount of advanced processing taking place at the eyeball. And what the eye is doing is only sending back to the brain that relevant information that we need to make real-time decisions, such as to not run into something or to recognize somebody that we should recognize. And so that is truly real-time processing that was only enabled by the advanced processing capacity of the eyeball. And so if we were to now try to look in an ISR, classical ISR sense, and to push that advanced processing capacity out, you can just imagine the possibilities of what it can do for the speed and real-time decision making in what we know today as our big data analytic environments.